Hi, Dr. Berg. This is Emily Arts with a team update for Team 6. So far, we're progressing very well. We're enjoying working together, and we're working on to accomplish our final project as a robot. But to answer your question, what has your team accomplished since the last video update? Well, since this is our first update, we don't have any progression from the last one. But overall, we're doing great. It's the beginning of the final project as of right now, so we're still getting our thoughts together. One of the two main thoughts that we're having right now is what to shoot the ball with. Right now we've come up with two different ideas of having an air compressed gun to shoot the ball, or we're having the idea of a calibrated arm to just drop the ball and then hopefully go to the solo cup where it needs to go. With your second question, what technical problems have we solved? Well, one of the technical problems that we solved with the first project was getting the software to download correctly and to use it correctly. With our host computer, we were having some issues with the 32-bit and the 64-bit software, but once we got that figured out, it ran successfully. We just had to get that stuff worked out with getting all the software to download. Also, with the second project, we were having issues with getting the bearings to work correctly and to spin correctly and go in the direction they were supposed to, and getting the program to run like it was supposed to with rotating clockwise and counterclockwise and to stop where it was supposed to. And then also with that, one of the main technical problems that we had was just when we hooked up to the amplifier to turn on the amplifier, and that took us forever to figure out, but once we figured it out, it went smoothly. So with the second project, that was the technical problems that we had with that one. But other than that, no major issues have come across. What ideas have you generated and tested? Well, as of right now, we haven't tested any ideas yet. We're still getting all of our research and everything together. So we just had those two ideas about what exactly to build our robot with and what to shoot the ball with. The ping pong ball to go in the solo cup so it plays tic-tac-toe correctly according to the rules. Also, what are the major challenges for the next week and beyond? Well, for right now, for next week, it's just getting our research done. We've done a little bit of research to keep on schedule, but since it's due next week now, we're getting that done. We'll need to concentrate on the research and make sure that we are knowledgeable just like the rest of the teams out there that will be. Also, beyond that, the challenges will come across and make sure we build a successful robot. We are a very driven team. We want to make sure it's done correctly and to specifications. Not only that, we want to be more than the specifications. We want to win. We're very competitive. We want to make sure that our robot is the best out there. So that's just the major problems that we have for beyond next week, is getting the final project done. How is your group progressing relative to the schedule? Relative to the schedule, we're doing a great job. We are keeping up with everything that needs to be done every week. We'll meet in the beginning of the week and get an idea of what we're supposed to get done, make sure it's lined up like we want to, make sure everybody knows what their goal and what their job is supposed to be for that week. Sometimes we get a little behind from that week, and then we'll end up progressing to the end of the week to get it done, but it always gets done. No matter what, we don't turn anything late. Also, how do you expect your system to perform at the next milestone? Well, our system, we expect it to do whatever it's supposed to do for that week. No matter what, we want to make sure it's successful and that we get everything done that's supposed to get done. Whatever that next milestone will be, we'll want to progress just like everybody else does, because I'm sure this is a competitive group that we're going to be up against. Is your group working together? Are all the team members contributing? Our team is working great together. We balance each other out very well. Where everybody has weaknesses, everybody has strengths, and so those weaknesses and strengths are opposite, so we balance each other out very well. We have 3 electrical engineers in the group. I am one, and then the 2 others are electronic emphasis. So they're doing a great job having a blast with everything. And then we have 2 computer engineers in our group, and they're doing a great job getting all the software to work correctly and to download. They're the ones that came up and solved the issues earlier with the software downloading. So they're doing a great job. William's our group leader. He's doing an awesome job getting us together, and he's the one that's really keeping us on track with our schedules. And all the team members contributing. Yes, we were all contributing. We're making sure that everybody does an equal amount of work. We split up the projects equally. because for last week I was doing the customer requirements, and now we've got this team update. So I'm doing the team update for right now, and somebody else that's going to be working on the engineering requirements has got that assigned for this week. And then we also have our research split up equally and make sure nobody's slacking off. So we're doing a great job with that, and overall we're doing a great job. We're keeping everything together like we're supposed to. We're hoping to keep everything together and stay on schedule like we are and continue to progress throughout the semester. And we're hoping to have a great semester and end up with the best robot. Thank you.